It's always best to be proactive about HVAC issues. You don't want to risk the comfort of your commercial space. If you're wondering how to tell if it's time to replace this system, keep watching. If your HVAC system is around 10 years old, it may be time for a replacement. This is especially true for a unit that has not received regular maintenance. Annual maintenance ensures your system is in working order and can catch issues before they become bigger. An older system will cost you more money than it's worth in repairs. It's sometimes best to replace the whole system so you're not wasting money on a system that is failing. Another sign your system is failing are loud noises. While it's normal for systems to get louder as they age, abnormal noises can indicate it's time for a replacement. Look out for noises such as loud humming or banging from your system. In some cases, these noises may just mean that your system needs a repair. If these sounds continue after such repairs, it may be a sign that your system is out of commission. An older system in need of replacement may start up more often or stay on longer. Check if the blower motor and the coils are in good shape, as this may be the cause. If these systems are fine, it could mean that your system is failing to circulate air efficiently. If you've been wondering when you'll have to replace your HVAC system, keep these indicators in mind. While most systems will last a decade, annual maintenance plays a key role in this lifespan. Are you looking for professional HVAC services in your area? Contact us here at McNamara Custom Services today. Proudly serving Waco, Texas and surrounding areas. Contact us at 254-836-4304 or find us at acandplumbing.com.